Hi, I'm Lark Galley, and I serve high-performing women who want to achieve material and career success without sacrificing their family or mental health. I'm here at the Incubator because I wanted to grow my business with leads that were beyond my family and friends. And I feel like I have been able to do that by putting together a very spot-on targeted ad that will reach my audience, the people that I'm looking for, with the message that I need. So I have been so grateful for Jake and his team for helping me put this message together, because I know that it's going to reach the right people and bring those into my sphere. And I'm so grateful for that. The one thing I was worried about was that I hadn't been far enough along in my business, but I realized that even though I'm fairly new in doing this coaching that I am launching, I can still have their help in being able to grow it as quickly as possible. So I appreciate that. So some of the challenges that I was experiencing is finding the right people and being able to reach a broad enough audience that I would be able to continually fill my coaching program without maybe going to friends all the time or just having to do a coaching program with very few people in it for that session. So I put off attending for a few months because I felt like I needed to be a little bit farther along in my funnel and my ad prep and all of that. I think it's very important to be able to have something established as far as what your business is, but you don't have to have all the answers before you come here. So one of my takeaways has been the very targeted script that I will be using for my video ads, and also being able to dial in to find the right audience and decrease my spend while still getting the number of leads that I need. I see this impacting my business in a very positive way because I will be able to have continual leads coming into me, which I can then check with them, see if they're the right fit for my program, and feel that I am offering a service to a wider audience than just the small group of people I've been able to affect so far. I would absolutely recommend this workshop to other business owners who are looking to expand beyond their current reach and who want to bring in more leads and more customers into their business.